Don't you ever do that again.
Why?
Do not do that again.
Why? It's icing.
Why are you licking it with your mouth? No! Here's me right here. Here's little Jimmy. This is you. And then here's the little twins. Alright, yo guys. Julian Barboza back with another video. And today, a lot of y'all guessed me and Rosa are gonna be making gingerbread houses.
Hi guys.
Yes. We're all in the holiday spirit. We got the Christmas hats. We got our hot chocolate. Show them yours. We got our hot chocolate. We even went to go get some cookies. All right. Oh, here. Oh, the cookies are here. My bad. Y'all don't know, man. I love cookies. We got 12 cookies. We also got a brownie. I don't know if we should make this a competition. I don't want to. I don't know. I feel like.
We shouldn't.
I feel like I might lose again.
I thought you were gonna beat me.
I think you should get one and I should get one, like the pumpkins. Except I think I'll beat you at this one.
Remember you said I won't.
All right, how about this, guys? Y'all just decide which one looks better, okay? We're not gonna have a time limit. We're not gonna have none of that. We'll just see which one looks better.
Have you ever done one of these?
I've done it once, I think, but I don't remember.
I have never done one of these.
Yo, guys, comment below if you've ever done this. I don't think I've ever done this. All right, so this is for the icing. And this is all the candy. I have a feeling that this is gonna taste like all right.
Can you open this for me, please?
Oh. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where's the instructions for the actual house, though? Instructions for the cookie house. Remember that icing sets quickly when you're not using the bag and tip. Cover the tip with the damp cloth.
Why did you look at me?
Because you're looking at me. Be sure to place your candy within 5 minutes of icing. If icing becomes stiff and hard to pipe, you can warm it up in the oven if you are using a plastic decorating tip. Alright, you heard all that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't think there's instructions on how to build. What is this?
Step 1, prepare the cookie.
My house is already built though. Yours is
That's not fair.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That like we don't have a competition. All right, no competition. All right, how do I? We need a knife.
You don't need a knife.
All right, then use your knife.
I already used it.
For mine.
Imagine it breaks. Like I break your house.
Imagine your nail break.
No.
No? Yo, this smells good. I didn't think it was gonna be good, but it kind of smells good.
Thank you, Rosa.
Thank you, Rosa, for putting your nail in it. This is just mad because hers is not built already. Let's see.
Yeah, that's unfair.
There's no door on this house? This house has no door. Maybe while Rosa's building, I could just eat, you know? Eat some cookies. Here, you guys, you want some cookies? The only way you can get a cookie is if you like this video and turn on your post notifications, all right?
I'm not gonna give you a cookie.
Bro, I don't like chocolate cookies here. Have them. We got all kinds. We got chocolate cookies. We got chocolate chip. We have oatmeal. We got sugar M&Ms. Let me try a chocolate chip.
Okay.
Well,
We don't have scissors.
we don't have what?
Scissors.
We don't have what?
Scissors.
Scissors?
Yeah.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Mm. Oh, so you gotta use the icing to actually build it?
Bruh, I should have fucking
Made
put
it.
the icing in first.
Here, use my bag.
No, cause you're
No, you gotta actually build it though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like for real, like.
Thank you.
Yes. If you ever want cookies, Tips Treats is good, but it's $20 for 12. You can go to McDonald's and get 13 cookies for $5. All right, I'm always saving y'all money, okay? Always.
Yeah, who thought we get cookies on McDonald's?
Rosa did.
I taught him to do it. Wait, how do you do this? Like that?
I got no clue.
Can you hold it? Can you hold the thing?
Oh, the bag?
Yeah.
Fill the bag with icing. Yeah, you're doing it right. Just gotta squeeze everything out. Use your muscles. Ooh. Taste it.
No. Can you do the rest? Because I have nails and my nails are gonna get.
And then we read. Snip one corner when ready to use. Cuff open and squeezing the bag. Fill the bag with no more than half a cup of icing. To close, unfold the cup and twist the bag shut. How to use the bag. To hold the bag correctly. Wait. Curl fingers around the bag. Twist. Alright guys, I feel like this is gonna be very hard. This is how you assemble the house. Join one side panel on one. Don't you ever do that again.
Why?
Do not do that again.
Why? It's icing.
Why are you licking it with your mouth?
Cause was I supposed to?
Not off the tip. Stop.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, I think you need a let's just look at how this one's built.
Imagine if we didn't have no like, if we're both building it.
Alright, well first I think you should start with like the sides and stuff, like right here. Alright, these.
No, it's these. Those go at the top.
What house are you building with this? Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. But you know you have to let this dry for an hour.
For real? Okay.
Alright, so first, let's connect these this right
No, because we have to put some at the bottom.
Okay. Here we go, guys. Better angle. So you're gonna put one right there. And then here, I'm gonna hold it and you just put some on the sides and stuff so it sticks. It's like cement. You got a lot of icing, you just squeeze it all out.
This is gonna take some time.
I know.
Okay.
Alright, next we gotta do this fast.
Time lapse.
Damn, bro, this is actually coming out good.
No, it's not. It looks like.
Look how this one looks. It's not perfect.
Okay, hold it.
I think the wall's going. It's already a house. All right, just fill it.
But hold it, babe.
Okay. All right, the edges too, like. You got it?
No. My shit is gonna look ugly.
It's okay.
No, I don't
It's a
want
fair
you to win.
advantage.
Of course you say it's okay. Yours is already.
No, it's a fair advantage.
Guys,
come on. I'm
what
handy.
the f is this?
Like, you're probably more artistic than me. Okay, is that good? Is that how you want it?
Of course this is not.
Yo, guys, look her wall pillow. Yo. Okay, this is a garage. This is the side house, okay? So now we gotta wait a few minutes. I mean, it's already drying up and stuff. And then we're gonna start decorating.
6.5 hours later.
Now we decorate? Okay, but what is this?
I don't know.
What is this?
Oh, like to make the doors and shit.
Smart. So now is the part of the video where we start decorating. So hopefully y'all can see us. So now it's time to decorate. I need to squirt out my icing. Why are you smiling? Why are you laughing at me, huh? Am I doing something wrong? Then what's funny?
I just like looking at you, you know?
And smiling? Or was that a smile or was that a laughter?
No, I'm just smiling.
Ew, this ice cream. Damn, what are you doing? POV. Open your mouth. She says she like you. I'm like, me too.
Pussy.
Alright, so we can start now? Yeah,
Yep.
we're already started. Alright. Don't look over here, okay?
Okay.
She said she like eating pussy. I'm like, me too. Bro, I saw you looking. Don't look.
No, I'm looking at like the camera.
Yeah, don't be looking.
Oh, sorry.
So you can see what I'm building. That's cheating. Don't be looking.
I can literally see what you're doing over there instead of.
No, you can't.
Oh.
Oh.
I hadn't seen.
Bruh,
I hadn't-
stop looking.
I hadn't seen it. I'm sorry.
Cheater. No! Guys, yo, replay. Rosa broke her freaking thingy. All right then, how about this? Let's
Guess this didn't work out.
let's just, I build one side, you build the other side. All right, we're gonna have to share.
What if
Share.
I don't want to share?
Sharing is caring.
Okay, fine.
All right, well, let's get rid of the rubbish. I get this half, you get that half. Because I want a door, at least.
I don't want a door too. So are we gonna have two
No,
doors?
no, you get like a door right here, I get a door right here.
That's fine. So 2 doors?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo guys, can you do me a favor? I need y'all to know something, right? Y'all could do me a wonderful favor, okay? This will help me so much. Yo, if there's any part of my video or Rosa's videos that you guys like, do me a favor and post them on TikTok, all right? I always forget to post clips from my YouTube videos onto my TikTok. What would you consider yourself, a TikToker?
Yeah.
I'm more of a TikToker, right?
Yeah.
And me,
He's a YouTuber.
yeah, I like YouTube a lot better, just for a lot of reasons. So I always forget, you know, TikTok is like, I be forgetting. So yeah, if you could do me that favor, post any clips you like on TikTok. I'll be duetting, stitching y'all, whatever, following y'all. If you're always posting our clips, I'll follow you on TikTok. Do me that favor though. That's all I want for Christmas.
Mine just looks terrible.
It's okay, Rosa.
It's not okay. None of this is okay. Do you understand me?
I understand that,
Just because yours was already built.
no,
Yeah.
no.
Yes.
You're getting a whole half. And to be frank, I feel like you might win. You're just saying that, you're just bluffing.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm looking
I
at-
really have not looked at yours. You've looked at mine, I don't know how many times. Don't look.
I'm I'm not looking.
Why are you looking?
I'm looking at myself.
Why are you looking?
I promise.
Guys, Rosa is cheating. I'm done. I'm done. That you know what? That's all you. I'm finished.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Leave.
Leave.
Yeah,
Tell me to
I don't
leave.
want you to see mine.
I'm not gonna look at you. I'm gonna talk to you. All right, we're gonna talk.
Okay.
Guys. So while Rosa is going, we're gonna be talking. All right. So my pants are dirty. Got icing all over them. What should we talk about? This is funny.
I can't.
You messed up.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to the restroom. I don't know how much longer it's gonna take, but please.
He's gonna go take another shit.
I am. You know me very well, Russell. Do you want to join me?
Ew, no.
Come on. Couples who take shits together get to shit together. Alright guys, this is the final reveal of the gingerbread house. Rosa's gonna show her side and then I will show my side. Alright, so show us just a close POV. So where do you want to start with first?
This
says...
This is for Julian. This is a little... What is this?
A beeper?
No.
A what?
Where the smoke comes out from the front.
Oh, a chimney.
Yeah, that.
A chimney, okay. And then we got the door.
And a window.
And then a window. I like it. I think yours is more visible. Meaningful.
Yeah. This is
Alright guys, I don't know about the meaningful one because I knocked it out the park with this. Alright, so,
I actually haven't
so
seen yours.
let's turn to mine, okay? So first, let's start off with this side, alright?
Aww.
What I was gonna do is I was gonna put the R on that side, so it's like our house, you know? Right, but then I just did J plus R.
Why is mine smaller?
Because mine is in the middle. Like I told you, I was gonna put it on this side, so like half of my house, half of your house. You know, like when we move together. And then this is this is a mess. All right, I don't know what that is. I just wanted to do it. Now this, I want you to guess what this is. Actually, pause. I'm gonna tell you what it is. All right, so holiday season, right?
Me, you, and our children.
Yes, yes, that's exactly what it is. Here's me right here. Here's little Jimmy. This is you. I don't know why you're missing a leg, but yeah, it's because these didn't want to break right. And then here's the little twins.
Aww.
Oh, I forgot this part right here. This is like the little Christmas lights on top.
Oh, that's cute.
So yeah, yo guys, comment what y'all think. I think we have a nice house.
Our family,
Our
house.
family, our house, our entrance, everything. Perfecto. I think we did good.
Show them the mess you made.
Oh, yeah, this is just because I was bored, you know. But yo guys, comment below who, I think we both did good.
You did more good.
So now we're 1-1. You won the pumpkin one.
Yeah.
I won this one. Comment what we should do next. All right, what challenge should we do?
Christmas challenge.
And guys, do me a favor, okay? I leave Houston, unfortunately, in 12 more days. So we only have 12 more days to maybe do a challenge or whatever, then I gotta go back home. So, whatever.
Yeah, he's coming back for New Year's.
I am coming.
Hopefully.
Nah, I am.
Hopefully.
I am. So comment some more videos y'all want to see. And if you haven't yet, make sure you turn on your post notifications. I love y'all guys. I'm giving away another hoodie in this video. So all you got to do, turn on your post notifications and then comment when done and put your Instagram, all right? I'm giving away one hoodie this video though, only one. I'm going to be using a random comment picker. So if you want to win a hoodie, go comment.